Hey, what's up everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a model kit from the video game Crosscore. And to be honest, I don't have any idea what Crosscore is, but they released a model kit which is very nice looking, and it has a resemblance with the handful saber as much as I interpret this design. Anyway, this is none other than the Kishin Nebula from Howling Star, and this is from a Chinese company if I'm not mistaken. This kit has a very nice silhouette as I saw from the review, because it has a look of the handful saber as I already said a while ago. And anyway, let's check this kit out and see what's inside. So the box art here shows the Nebula, Kishin Nebula, and it's from the Howling Star, which was released in the year 2021, I think. This one, 2021, and it's from China. Original kit, not a bootleg kit. And there we can see the full spectrum of this kit, which is very nice. Looks like handful saber for me. And the side of the box, we can see the face of the Nebula, same as the box art. The other side of the box, we can see the front view of the armored Nebula. And there we can see some translation there, English translation, but it's very small, cannot be seen in the screen. All I know, or what I can read here, is there's this Schwarzsitter. It's like a German names for the weapon. And we have here the inner frame, which is the Kishin. I think this is the Kishin one, the inner frame part. So if you want to make him like this, you can do so. But if you like to put armor on him to make him the Nebula, you can do so as well. So it's up to you if you want the inner frame like Mecha or with the armor pieces attached. So on the other side of the box, we can see the Nebula here. So it's very nice, cool looking. I like the color combination of the midnight blue, sparkling midnight blue colored parts there with white, and being contrasted with clear green pieces, because for me blue and green color combination along with some tinge of white is a perfect combination for anything like car or a kit or any gadget, something like that, or even a shirt. It has a good combination, color combination, the blue, green, and white. So there we can see here the Nebula flying pose, dagger slashing pose, or the melee mode. And you can see the transparent parts and the sharpshooter mode. So it has two rifles, two beam rifles there. Very nice. To be honest, most of the Chinese rifle designs like this looks the same. All the bootlegs, I just noticed, all or most bootlegs that came, or not bootlegs, or Chinese made kits, has the same rifle design. I just observed. Anyway, let's open the box here. If we open it, we can see there's one wrapper already stuck in this one. Okay, So there we can see the instruction manual. So it's being wrapped in the plastic. So let's open this one and see what's inside. So the wrapper here, the instruction manual here is quite large, same like a magazine size or comic size. So we can see here the Nebula and the parts list. So very Chinese printed. So there's this English translation which is very nice. So there we can build the Kishin, how we can build the Kishin. And first we can start with the Kishin and then we can build the Nebula. So out of the Kishin we can build the Nebula. Okay, so that's it. We'll start with the Kishin, then build the Nebula. So it's like the inner frame, then with the armor piece, something like that. So let's check the parts here. We have here blue parts for armor pieces. We have some blue parts again. We have gray parts for the hands and the rifles. So good thing the rifle has this peg sockets there if I want to change the hand into articulated one. So we have here gray parts for the inner frame. Again, blue parts, inner frame parts. We have here gold parts, very nice. There are gold parts, clear green parts, We have here what's this? Maybe this one for the action base part connector. We have white parts and gray parts or metallic gray parts for the hands, for the armor pieces. We have clear red part here for the eyes, I think, or I presume this one for the eyes. And very nice, we have here action base stand included. So this is a separate third party action base. So this is a Chinese brand. This is for master grade, high grade. What's BB? Maybe very big. 1144 and 1100. Okay, good thing there's this action base included. And as what I saw in the promo, if you buy it pre-order, you'll have this freebie here. I don't know what's this, but it's like a acrylic stand or design where we can see a hentai girl there showing her ass, and she's very wet, ready to be fucked up. So we have here this action base or acrylic, what the fuck, it's this one. And we have here decals for the kit. To be honest, I'm not a decal type of person. Maybe I'll just skip this shit and just proceed to building. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. So we have here two small parts here for, I think this one for the action base connector, and we have here a clear red piece here, maybe for the visor. We have here gray parts or metallic gray parts for runner F. So we have two sets of runner F here. We have small runner D here for the hands, for the hand parts. We have rifle parts here for runner E. So we have two sets of runner E. We have two sets of runner C also for the inner frame parts. We have runner B for the inner frame parts, metallic gray colored or metallic black colored runner. Again, we have here metallic black colored runners, which is one is the runner L for the inner frame parts. We have runner M for the hand part. So we have two sets of hands here. I just noticed. So we have a claw-like hand here, and the other one is the normal hand. So we have so much reserved plastics here. So we have here runner A for the inner frame parts. And let's go to the white runners here. We have two runner Q parts, or two runner Q runner here. So these are white parts. We have runner P for armor pieces, armor parts. We have three gold runners here for the runner H, runner I, and another runner I. So we have two sets of runner I and one runner H for the gold parts. For the blue parts, we have here runner L. It's runner J. We have two sets of runner K for the armor pieces. And finally, we have runner G for the blue armor pieces. And we have here clear parts, which I feel like a rubbery clear plastic. So it's very sturdy, ABS type. So these are runner N and another runner N. So we have two sets of runner N. And finally, we have runner O runners. Runner O for the clear parts. And for the freebie, we have decals, action base, third party action base included, and these acrylic hentai girl printout. So thank you very much for watching. This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. Let's build this kit once and for all, and God bless. Take care and goodbye.